You're watching how to use Do Not Disturb on Android. Swipe down from the top of your screen once or twice to open the Quick Settings panel. Look for an icon labeled Do Not Disturb or one that looks like a crossed out circle or bell. Tap this tile to turn it on immediately. It will usually turn blue or change color when active. For more control, long press this Do Not Disturb tile or go to Settings Sound and Vibration Do Not Disturb. Here you can set a schedule, tap Turn On automatically or schedules to set specific times for it to activate, like during your sleep hours. You can also set rules for what is allowed to break through the silence, tap exceptions or allow interruptions. Here you can permit calls from specific contacts, allow repeat callers, or allow alarms and media sounds. You can also manage which apps can send notifications by selecting Apps and Notifications. The custom settings let you choose whether to hide visual notifications and block sound, vibration, or both. When Do Not Disturb is on, a small moon icon will appear in your status bar. To turn it off, simply swipe down and tap the Do Not Disturb tile again, or disable your schedule. This feature is essential for focusing, sleeping, or meetings without being disturbed by non-urgent alerts. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.